Remember that video project you started?
Right.
Maybe you got kind of bogged down by all the editing or just how complex it felt. Well, today we're diving into a tool that promises to change all that. We're taking a deep dive into the CapCut AI Suite. It's a pretty groundbreaking new offering, really shaking things up in creative tech. Our mission: to unpack how this suite aims to radically streamline, maybe even enhance content creation. We'll pull the key insights from its launch and what early users are saying.
Yeah, it's fascinating how CapCut's positioning this. Nicole from their team said their goal is empowering creators, like all levels, to move from idea to impact faster than ever. So this isn't just adding a few new buttons. It's about making sophisticated video production way more accessible, promising a creative process that's, well, simpler, smarter, and maybe actually more enjoyable for everybody.
Okay, let's unpack this then. So at its core, the CapCut AI Suite lets you, and I quote, create, edit, or remix content with AI in a simple editor.
Yes.
It's really designed to be your smart editing partner. Doesn't matter if you're starting with camera footage or, get this, just a text prompt. And it feels like it's not just about saving time, right? It's maybe fundamentally altering what one person can realistically create.
Exactly. The whole philosophy seems to be smart, powerful, simple. And what feels genuinely new, really impactful, is how it weaves these advanced AI features directly into a very user-friendly space. It goes beyond just helping with edits. It's like actively generating content, streamlining entire workflows. So it does bring up an interesting thought, doesn't it? In this push for simplicity, are we kind of trading off some artistic control for pure speed?
That's a really good point. We should definitely circle back to that. But for now, here's where it gets really interesting, the specific features. First up, they've got prompt to creation. It uses something called the AI Story Maker. You just describe your idea, maybe a short story, an ad, a tutorial, whatever. And in seconds, boom, you get a full video. We're talking script, visuals, music, the whole package. Imagine the time saved just there. It basically redefines what a first draft even looks like. And it keeps going. There's robust AI media generation, so you can generate high-quality video and images right inside the editor. They're using top models like VO3, Seedance, stuff like that. Then the smart editing tools are where it really shines, I think. Features like AutoCut intelligently trims out the fluff, AI Clipper finds the key moments for you, and transcript tools automatically caption your stuff. All this promises to drastically cut down post-production time with pro-level precision, they say.
You know, what's fascinating is how these tools really hit on common creator pain points. I was just thinking, like, subtitling a short film in multiple languages. That used to feel like a monumental task, but now this AI video translator offers instant multilingual magic. It's pretty amazing. And turning photos into AI avatars and characters with lifelike gestures and voice, that makes sophisticated animation suddenly seem, well, within reach for smaller creators, not just big studios. And zooming out a bit, the bigger implication here, it's profound. The CapCut AI Suite really seems to empower creators, letting them bypass those really steep learning curves we often see with video software. It fosters what they call pure creative freedom. Just imagine, like a small business owner making pro-level marketing videos without hiring an editor, or maybe an educator creating engaging lessons in multiple languages. It really democratizes advanced video production, makes it available to pretty much anyone with an idea.
It really does sound transformative. And, we're already seeing that reflected in what early users are saying. Laia Camila Perez, apparently a longtime user, called CapCut a game changer. Said she couldn't live without it at this point. That's pretty high praise.
And that brings up the control point you mentioned earlier. Someone named Anastasia Zur asked if you can, like, swap out visuals or music in the AI-generated videos. And Nicole from CapCut confirmed, yeah, once the video is generated, you can further edit in the timeline. So the AI gives you a great starting point, maybe a huge head start, but you still have full creative control. Oh, and about the practical side, monetization. Nick Minimalist Phone asked about credits. Seems Pro members get 800 credits a month. You can buy more, and they're apparently valid for 2 years. So there's a model there.
Right. So what does this all really mean for you, the listener? It seems like a blend of serious innovation but also real usability, making these sophisticated AI tools not just powerful, but genuinely accessible. Think about how that lowers the barrier for telling ambitious visual stories. It puts those high-end capabilities kind of right at your fingertips.
Yeah, stepping back to look at the broader impact, this CapCut AI Suite feels like a pretty significant shift, a shift in how we even approach creative work. It fundamentally challenges those old barriers, skill, time. It allows this incredible speed from just having a concept to having a finished product.
So here's a thought to leave you with. What story have you been wanting to tell? Something you thought was maybe too complex or just too time consuming to create? With tools like this emerging, maybe the only limit really is your imagination now. Just consider how quickly your ideas could actually come to life.